Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix iPhone slow issue after iOS 17 update. So how to fix this issue, iPhone slow issue after iOS 17 update. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video. So do not waste any time. Fix this issue. First of all, you have very app space iPhone storage. So you have open the setting and then you have click on general, click on iPhone storage. Then you have from here is you will be check. So you have upload unused apps. Then you have check the iPhone storage. Then here's a not backup, so you have read from here as then you have his iPhone storage is fully, so you must have be some photos or videos you have delete from iPhone. The another solution, you have update your app on device. So you have open the app store, then you have click on uh, app store icon, then you have update all from here all app on your iPhone, then your problem will be fixed 100% working. So then another solution, you have turn off background app refresh. So then you have open the setting and then click on general, scroll up, then you have click on background app refresh. So then you he is turned off already, then you have must be turn off background app refresh on your iPhone. Then another solution, you have enable reduced motions, and so you then uh, again open the setting, click on accessibility, click on motion, then you have reduced motion is enabled. I have already enabled. Then another solution, you have restart your iPhone. So then you have volume up button, press the volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then your problem will be fixed in 100% working. Other solution, you have delete unused app, you can enable the offload features. Then you have see from here, you have some apps that you have not used, so you have upload unused apps from here. You have enable from here, so you have do not use on your iPhone. Then other solution, you have turn up low power mode. So you have again open the setting and then you have scroll up, then you have click on battery, then you have low power mode is turn off. I have already turned off. Then other solution, you have turn on dark mode. So you have again open the setting, click on this brightness, then you have click on dark mode. Is dark mode turn on your iPhone. Then last solution, you have update iOS latest version. Then you have open the setting, click on general, click on software update, iOS latest version on your iPhone update. So then you have must be update on your iPhone. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.